Zimbabwe is on track to achieve Vision 2030 targets, riding on milestone delivered. In the last few years, it is transformative progress made in all economic sectors in 2025, which provide a solid foundation for future advancement. Acting President Kebo Moadi said yesterday, Sarabina Mashoko Budanyo the path to Vision 2030 clear, targets achievable. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timda Mashoko Akimbo Moadi Budanyo Mchinzi. He was addressing delegates to an oversubscribed 9th National Thanksgiving and the dedication service in Bulawayo, where he noted the remarkable strides across multiple sectors under the leadership of President Mnangagwa, a clear indicator that God's blessing and guidance was upon Zimbabwe. Acting President Mohadi said the country is experiencing a stable macroeconomic environment marked by exchange rate stability and moderated inflation, which has boosted investor confidence and enhanced household purchasing power, benefiting Zimbabweans. In quotes, today is not merely a date on our national calendar, it's a sacred pause, a moment for reflection, not only on how far we have come, but on who has sustained us along the way. We are reminded that the story of our nation is not written by human effort alone, but guided by a higher purpose, he said. Organized by the Faith of the Nation campaign in partnership with the Zimbabwe Indigenous Interdenominational Council of Churches, ZIICC, the annual gathering stands as a powerful moment of national gratitude, reflection, and spiritual renewal. It ran under the theme acknowledging divine providence and the progress of our nation. Acting President Mohadi emphasized the role of divine providence in the country's achievements. Acting President Mohadi called upon citizens to uphold the country's shared values, including rallying behind President Mnangagwa's philosophy, nyika inodzivirirwa igonamatigwa nevene vayo, a philosophy that aligns with the essence of this gathering, emphasizing our responsibilities as stewards, custodians, and owners of the beloved Zimbabwe. Ndo mashiko anobuda kwa pangwa inatonoti VP Kembo Mohadi aiwa anobuda chiti 2030 plan, it is very clear and all the targets are achievable. Pina comment section medu nzofunguro aim to deep pamusoro pichitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.